Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exam. This is Varun Pradhan presenting you the daily news review. And before we proceed, why don't you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in previous video, we asked you some questions related to the previous news and let's see their solutions. Question number 1 was, in the Keshav Nanda Bharti case, which doctrine was propounded by Honorable Supreme Court? And the right answer to this question is very easy, C, basic structure. Another question was asked that the new name of Rajpath will be, so the right answer for this is C, Kartavya Path. Also, we asked you that in which of the following case the apex court held that preamble is a part of constitution. So the right answer to this question is again the famous case of Keshav Nanda Bharti. And please remember one simple thing, that if it is asked in any exam that in which case it was held that preamble is an इंटीग्रल पार्ट, उद्देशिका भारत के संविधान का एक अभिन्न अंग है, ये बात किस केस में कही गई थी, तो सही जवाब होगा LIC वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया का केस, नॉट द केशव नंदा भारती केस, है ना। इसीलिए आप जब भी आंसर करें प्लीज क्वेश्चन को बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ें कि उसमें क्या पूछा गया है, ठीक है। अगला क्वेश्चन था, शरद चंद्र बोस was associated to which of the following political organization, and the options given were Indian National Congress, Forward Bloc, and Socialist Republican Party. And the right answer to this question is D. 1, 2, and 3 are correct because Mr. Bose was associated to all three of them. Fine. So this was it for the previous questions. Now let us see what is in the news. So the first news goes like, India's first nasal vaccine for COVID-19 gets approval of the Drug Controller General of India. The vaccine is being developed by Bharat Biotech and it is named as Incovac, and the use of this vaccine is restricted to the patients of, or I must say the users of 18 years and above. And it is the second vaccine of such type after CanSino Biologics of China. All right. Another news says, PM Modi and Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina inaugurates first unit of Maitri Super Thermal Power Plant, which is situated in Khulna district of Bangladesh. Sheikh Hasina ji is on a 4-day visit to India, and during this visit, they also inaugurated the 5.13 kilometer long Rushpa rail bridge, which is built under the concession line of credit, which is being provided by India. All right. Indian cities Nilambur and Thrissur of Kerala and Telangana's historical city of Warangal have joined UNESCO Global Network of Learning Cities. Another important cities of this particular list are important cities like Beijing, Shanghai, Hamburg, Athens, Incheon, Bristol, and Dublin, etc. According to UNESCO, a learning city has to effectively mobilize its resources in every sector to promote inclusive learning from basic to higher education, revitalize learning in families and communities, facilitate learning for and in workplace, extend the use of modern learning technologies, enhance quality and excellence in learning, and foster a culture of learning throughout life. If all these parameters are achieved by any city, they are included in global network of learning cities. Fine. Another important news is Union Health Ministry and Union Ayush Ministry in a memorandum of understanding seeking interministerial cooperation for promotion of one herb, one standard. The primary objective of this MOU is to promote public health by developing harmonized herbal drug standards. So, dear viewers, if you know the full form of Ayush, please let us know in the comment box. Proceeding further, International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is observed every year on September 7th. Fine. So it is facilitated by the UNEP, that is United Nations Environmental Program. And the theme for this year was the air we share. The theme for the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Sky is the air we share. Please remember that. All right. So in other news, recently NASA has updated its 3D visualization Eyes on Solar System tool. This new and improvised system now makes interplanetary travel easier and more interactive than before. Let us know some of the important facts about this Eyes on the Solar System tool. So it is the latest edition which lets us scroll through rich interactive journey. For example, we can have a grand tour of planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It took more than 2 years for the visualization technology application and development. And this update offers better control, better navigation, and lots of new opportunities to learn about our solar system, our planet Earth, asteroids, and much more related to astronomy. All right. It records the real-time 3D data visuals. The instrument allows multiple visualizations from all the satellites of Earth in real time. It also allows you to explore exoplanets in 3D. And this also highlights stars and allows the detection of exoplanets. So these all are the benefits of this new tool. James Webb Space Telescope captured its first image of super Jupiter HIP 65426. Let's understand about this new exoplanet super Jupiter HIP 65426b. So this planet is about 6 to 12 times larger than the mass of Jupiter, and it was first discovered in 2017 using sphere instrument of European Southern Observatory. It's a young planet known as super Jupiter because it has a gas giant that is much more bigger than Jupiter. It has no rocky surface and it has a gaseous origin. Fine. So this simply means that the conditions are not conducive for human life on that super Jupiter. Fine. So these exoplanets are being observed through the telescopes, 4 different light filters, proving how James Webb powerful infrared technology can easily capture the world beyond our solar system. This particular news is very, very, very important for your science and tech portion. All right. And also NASA revealed that this super Jupiter is about 15 to 20 million years older than our Earth, which is merely 4.5 billion years old. All right. Let us also understand about what is James Webb Space Telescope. So this telescope is a venture of European Space Agency, and it is primarily installed to study the formation of solar system, the Big Bang theory, and other similar theories of the origin of our universe. It is a large infrared telescope which is capable of looking about the past, such as the first galaxy formed in the early universe, through its longer wavelength. These longer wavelength help telescope to peer inside dust cloud from where planets and stars are formed. All right, so this was about the James telescope. Now it's the time for quiz. If you watch this news very carefully, you'll be able to answer these questions. Question number 1 is the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is observed on option A, September 6, option B, September 7, option C, September 8, option D, September 9. And another question is the James Webb Space Telescope is venture of which space agency? Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, SpaceX, NASA, that is National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and option D, European Space Agencies? If you know the answer, please let us know in the comment box. And if you don't know the answer, please stay tuned with us to know the results. So this is it from my side. I take your leave. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your feedbacks and doubts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also join our batches for UPSC and MPPSC. Seats are very limited. You may visit the academy. Address is given in the description. So I am hoping to see you soon. With this note, I am signing off. Thank you so much and stay tuned with